Are you ready to unlock new career opportunities, boost your earning potential, and advance in your professional journey? Learning Python, one of the most in-demand programming languages, can be your gateway to success. Welcome to Business Training Media's Technology Series. In this video, we'll explore the top free Python courses for beginners that can set you on the path to achieving your goals. And stick around until the end of this video, where I'll share exactly how you can enroll in these courses for free and start learning Python today. Whether you're aiming to land your dream job, transition into a tech role, or enhance your current skill set, mastering Python is a strategic move. Let's dive into these courses that can help you get there. First up is Python for Beginners. This comprehensive course covers essential topics such as Python installation, running scripts in the terminal, setting up the PyCharm IDE, and understanding data types like numbers, strings, and booleans. It's designed to build a strong foundation for your Python journey. Next, we have Python for Complete Beginners, a course designed for those with absolutely no prior programming experience. It provides a step-by-step introduction to Python, starting with the basics and gradually building up your understanding. You'll explore essential concepts like variables, data types, and control flow, which are the foundation of every Python program. The course makes these topics easy to understand, helping you gain confidence as you write and execute your first Python scripts. By the time you complete this course, you'll have a solid grasp of Python fundamentals and be ready to take on more advanced programming challenges. Another excellent option is Introduction to Python Programming. This course is perfect for beginners looking for a fast and easy way to start coding. It focuses on practical applications, ensuring that you're not just learning theory, but also gaining hands-on experience. Through interactive exercises, you'll quickly become familiar with Python syntax and core concepts. You'll learn how to write and execute basic Python programs, work with variables and data types, and apply essential programming techniques. By the end of the course, you'll have the confidence to start using Python for real-world tasks and be well prepared to continue your learning journey. Lastly, we have Python for Absolute Beginners, a course designed for those who have never written a line of code before. If you're completely new to programming, this is the perfect place to start. You'll begin by setting up Python 3 on your computer and learning how to run Python scripts in the terminal. The course walks you through using the PyCharm IDE, a popular tool for writing and testing Python code. As you progress, you'll dive into fundamental programming concepts including numbers, strings, Boolean operators, lists, dictionaries, and variables. Beyond the basics, the course introduces functions, arguments, return values, loops, and modules, giving you the essential building blocks to write your own programs. To put your new skills into practice, the course concludes with a final project that reinforces everything you've learned. This course is designed for complete beginners, making it easy to follow along even if you have no prior programming experience. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start coding in Python and take the next step in your programming journey. Now, as promised, here's how you can enroll in these courses for free. We've included a link to these and other free Python courses in the description. Click it, choose the course that best suits your learning goals, and start your Python journey today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For more free courses and resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your learning journey.